Welcome back. Stop this text.
I keep distracting you. Go ahead.
Welcome back, YouTube family. We are a week away from Thanksgiving, and I don't know you guys, I'm very excited for Thanksgiving.
Oh, so am I. I personally am excited for the Thanksgiving plate. That's what I'm excited for.
So I didn't mean to interrupt you.
No. Continue.
The plate is very important, right? Because this is the difference if you're going to go up for, one time, seconds, thirds, and this is when everybody hasn't eaten. Like, you have to be really careful about that.
This is my house. So, and furthermore, the oval plate versus the small circle plate. Oval plate, don't do ceramic. Do the oval plate with a little bit of extra stuff on it. Go to Costco. This is not a plug for Costco. I was there the other day. I'm looking out for you. But we're also hosting.
That's correct.
We're hosting Thanksgiving, and you're invited. No, we're not. Not even gonna do that.
We don't got enough room for everybody.
And you know what? Speaking of those who are hosting and not having enough room, you are probably thinking right now, dang, my house, I need another one.
So we have you covered. So what we're going to talk about in today's video is how to prepare to sell your home in 2025. This is Love and Real Estate.
Hi, my name is Amanda.
My name is AD.
And we run a local real estate company called the Dopo Group.
Every week, we're going to take you into communities, restaurants, and experiences in DC and the surrounding areas.
Just think of us as your personal real estate agents. Enjoy the show.
Alrighty, so we're gonna talk about first point, right? So, wait. I know you guys are gonna get on me, but it's really finding a real estate professional.
I can hear him in the comment section already. He said that because he needs a real estate professional. It's because you're selling a home.
That's correct.
You need a professional to guide you through it.
Yeah, somebody who holds a license is not necessarily a professional. So once you find that professional, it helps to streamline the process.
Now, finding a real estate professional, not an agent, professional, is simple but not easy. 3 easy things to consider, and honestly, we might do a whole video around this in the future. But number 1 is their sales record. You should be able to have access to that. I'm not talking about the whole thing, but it is a real estate professional's resume. Have they have proof of concept? Have they have proof of sale? Have they shown that they are actually able to complete the job and complete it with satisfaction?
Yeah, that's really good. The second is developing a plan to market and actually sell your property to find a prospective buyer.
Do they have some sort of plan, template, something that actually works that they've shown to sell this home? And then finally, it's actually getting the house prepared. So is there a collaborative process where they come in, they actually give direct advice? They don't leave it all on you because you may have never done this before. So they come in and say, hey, this thing needs to be done and that thing needs to be done. An actual template to fit into, because selling a house is not one size fit all.
That is correct.
It is very, very, very custom, but they need to come in with some sort of expertise and plan so they can set you up for success.
Yeah, thinking about it, we should do another video on this. So we're talking about one about selling. In the next upcoming weeks, maybe we'll do another one about buying.
How to pick your professional when selling and buying. That's a video. Thank you for helping us make content.
Now, let's get to the next point. So the next point is a pre-sale home inspection. So a pre-sale home inspection in most areas is a due diligence period that the buyer has.
It's a nice bench.
It's a due diligence period that the buyer has to be able to inspect the home. So now, if you don't know where to start, a real estate professional is a good place too. And if your real estate professional doesn't know, you can Google a local company in your area.
Yes, but I really want to put emphasis on the real estate professional having access to that home inspection or home inspection company. Now, the pre-inspection is going to allow you to know more about your house than ever. There's a ladybug on the list. It's right there. Okay, whatever. And so everything inside of the home inspection is going to be, honestly, it's going to tell you everything that you need to know about the house. So everything from HVAC to water heater, roof age, crawl spaces, window age, electrical, plumbing, everything that you need to know, even little tiny leaks that you didn't even know existed and that were an issue. That is the point of your pre and sell inspection. So it allows you to play offense and not defense.
That's really good. So again, this is not a punch out list for you to start renovations day one. This is more of a collaborative process between you and your real estate professional on how to prepare for the sale of the home.
Yeah, now I'll take you to our next point, updates and repairs.
Alrighty, we're halfway through this video, so if you're enjoying it, give us a subscribe, like the video, and also share it with somebody.
All right, guys, let's get back to the show.
Alrighty, so we're talking about the next point, which is update and repairs.
Updates and repairs, which is my happiest place when it comes to getting your home ready. That's usually where I really shine on here at the Dopo Group. So I'm the one that comes in to tell you one thing and one thing only. We are not renovating this house, okay? Time out. We are not, because a lot of you guys have these big ideas and you just want to gut this house. No. Our job is to focus on the areas that people pay the most attention to. The thing that sells a house is price and presentation, okay? So we want to make sure that we present well. So we're going to focus on that kitchen, we're going to focus on that bathroom, and we're going to focus on those walls. Point number one, the kitchen.
So kitchen. So a really cost-effective way is to resurface the cabinets or paint the cabinet without changing the countertops, right? We just want you to focus on the cabinet. And then the accessories such as the doorknobs, the handles, changing that also brightens up and modernizes the kitchen.
I'm so proud of you because he didn't know what any of those things were a few minutes ago. So I'm so proud of you. Now, when it comes to the bathrooms, grouting and caulking. Now, grout, where the tub meets the walls, the tiles, that little area right there that turns brown, green, and black, no judgment here, okay? We want to pull that on up and put some new caulk down, make it nice and white and bright. And then the walls, that little in-between stuff, that's the grout. Okay, 3 ways to make that nice and bright. Number 1, a grout cleaner. Go to Home Depot. Number 2, DIYers, baking soda, vinegar, and a toothbrush. Get up in here, okay? And then number 3, a grout pen or grout paint. Now get a friend. Don't do this yourself. Don't go on TikTok and think it's gonna be easy, okay? Get someone who actually knows what they're doing for those really tough stains that are not coming out with those other 2 options. But we're gonna try the cheap option first.
Yeah, and number 3 is painting. Now, we're gonna be honest, painting can be expensive. I mean, we've received many different quotes for painting.
Oh, child.
Yeah, so, but this is a option that really gives the house this clean, bright look. And if painting is gonna be expensive, touching up. So we understand that those that have kids, your kids have probably touched up all on the house.
Touched up the house with crown and pen and marker and everything else.
Correct. So touching up is a good second option if you find that painting becomes really expensive.
So let's review really quick. It's your kitchen. We want you to resurface those cabinets. We want to get a professional. Don't try to DIY this, okay? Because we want to make sure it looks sharp, okay? And then number 2 is that bathroom, okay? Make sure we grout and caulk. And then if you want to go an extra step bonus, shower heads, handles, and lighting changes the game. And then number 3, touch up those walls, okay? We just want to touch it up to make the house look nice and bright.
Correct.
Okay.
Now we're going to get to our next point. Now, Amanda's talking about it over and over. We're talking about price and presentation, what sells homes. Now we're going to talk about the 3 Ds. I'm talking about declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean.
Now, let's talk about decluttering. Here at the Dopo Group, I can't speak for all real estate professionals, but a lot of really good real estate professionals have this. They have someone who's good at not cleaning, but organizing. So we actually have an organizer that is here with us at the Dopo Group that we can actually send into your home to actually help you to delineate what needs to stay, what needs to go, and what needs to go to storage. And the reason being is because we want the house to be as clear and as open as possible. This is a huge help for our senior clients and our downsizers.
Yeah, because it really allows people to see the entire home, especially buyers, right?
Absolutely.
So everybody doesn't have that vision. The next is deep cleaning. So we have a professional crew that comes in and deep cleans the entire home. I'm talking about, yes, baseboards, refrigerator, shampoo, the carpets, just places that you don't really realize that dirt or crews.
But also, honestly, it's because we want to get the house showing ready, but also get you ready for your photo shoot, your house photo shoot, not you, your house photo shoot. And then finally, it's depersonalize. What we want you to do is begin to remove pictures and memorabilia from sports and, you know, anything that has to do with you. And the reason being is because you never know who may know you when shopping through your house. And then also on top of that, we just want this house to be as ambiguous as possible so that the next person can see themselves in your home.
Wow, that was good.
I did that, right?
Yeah, you did that, baby. So now, I think we should find a place to end this video.
Yeah, we're gonna hit a pause. This is gonna be a 2-parter because there's more that we need to get into because we need to talk about like selling to buy and all that stuff. We're gonna hit a pause in this video and let's find a place to wrap this video up.
Sounds good. All right, so we're gonna call time because if we're here, we're gonna be here all the way until Thanksgiving.
And then I'm going to have to invite you to our Thanksgiving party. All right, guys. The reason why is because there's so much to cover when it comes to the whole home selling process. So we're going to cover things like staging, selling to buy.
Yeah, marketing,
the whole 9 yards. We're going to get you all the way fully prepared. So in our next video, we'll cover all those different things. But remember, at the Doppel Group, we have a collaborative process that takes care of all of it for you. So you really just don't have to think about it.
Yeah, so if you want to sell your home in 2025, the Doppel Group would love to be your real estate resource of choice. You can jump on our calendar personally. And if you want a complete seller's guide on how to prepare to sell your home, please email us at info@thedoppelgroup.com.
Oop, and I forgot. You forgot to tell them, baby, to like and subscribe.
That's correct.
Oh my goodness. Now, make sure that you like and subscribe and share it with someone. Share it with the person that's hosting Thanksgiving. I know that they're thinking, man, goodness, I need a bigger house. Got 30, 11 people come to this house.
Or the person who's looking to sell or thinking about selling in 2025.
All right.
Well, guys, we are your favorite real estate couple. My name is AD.
My name is Amanda. Until next time, guys. Bye.